Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the talking animation like the flower from me only using one picture. So the example is like this.
Oh my gosh! Someone sent me flowers. I wonder who it could be. Me!
Isn't that funny, right? So how to create it? So let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install this Revive application. Don't worry because it also can be installed from the Play Store and so does in the App Store. And as soon as the installation process is done, then you can simply open it. And for the new user, it usually offers you the package in the opening of the application like this. And for the package there will be several benefits, of course, but if you don't want to buy the package over here, then actually you can simply skip this offering, but there will be several or a lot of advertisement during the generation process, and if you are okay with that, then you can just skip it. Kindly wait. And this is the look of the home page. And since we would like to create the flowers from me animation, then we can scroll down. Then I will choose the funny mood here, flowers from me. Click this.
Oh my gosh!
Then for this picture, you can actually modify it into your favorite picture. For example, you can choose the picture of in your gallery like this. Or you can also try another picture that has been provided by this application. For example, I will choose the picture of this baby and I will click Revive. Kindly wait for the generation process, guys. Kindly wait for the advertisement. And finally, this video or this animation has been generated. Let's watch the result.
Me! Me! Oh my gosh! Someone sent me flowers. I wonder who it could be. Me!
Isn't that funny, right? So you can start to download it by click this save button, or you can also share this video or this animation into your favorite social media. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this application and you can let us know if this application also works for you guys. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.